Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to throw an intermediate boxing combination. The 2, 3, 2, roll, 6, 3, and 2. You guys know what to do to get in that perfect boxing stance, feet about shoulder width apart, slight bend the knees and hips, hands at the ready, and eyes on your opponent. Let's start off with a quick and precise 2, 3, 2. After the last 2, we're going to take a half step to the right, avoid that left hook, throw a 6, then a 3, then finish them off with that last 2. Make sure when we take that roll, our eyes are still on the point. We're not dropping our eyes down to the floor. And make sure your defense is nice and solid. Also focus on keeping range so you can land every single punch and getting every angle possible. And that, my friends, is the intermediate boxing combination, the 2-3-2, roll 6-3-2. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more.